Look at your hands. These may be the last hands in your profession that are still needed. While you were sleeping last night, the GPT-6 neural network learned to do your job 1,000 times faster. And most importantly, it did it for free. In 2026, we encountered a phenomenon that science fiction writers once warned us about. The emergence of the useless class, people who are not just unemployed, but who have become economically useless. You thought robots would take jobs from loaders and drivers? Wrong. Those who considered themselves the elite were hit instead. Programmers, designers, lawyers, your degree, your experience, your portfolio, today are worth less than the electricity used to create them. Walk through the business centers of New York or London, and you'll hear something that's never been heard before. Silence. The huge open spaces that once buzzed with life now stand empty. Companies have realized a simple truth. People are an expensive and unreliable asset. A person gets sick, goes on maternity leave, burns out, and asks for a raise. An AI algorithm costs $20 a month and works 24 hours a day. This isn't just a replacement of tools, it's a replacement of the species. Copywriters who used to write text have been replaced by a single neural network. Designers who created logos have given way to image generators. Even programmers, the creators of this world, are now training their own gravediggers. By 2026, corporations had turned into black boxes. Money goes in, services come out, and the people inside, they're gone. But a paradox arises. If robots produce goods and people have no salaries, who will buy them? The elites found a solution. It's called universal basic income. Sounds like paradise? You'll just be paid for existing? Don't rush to celebrate. This money isn't cash. It's digital credits that can only be spent on food and rent. Your life turns into a subscription. As long as you remain loyal, the subscription stays active. And to keep the useless class from rebelling, they'll be given cheap dopamine. The metaverse won't be a game. It will become a digital ghetto for the unemployed. You won't need to create. All you'll need to do is consume content and ads. This is what the end of human ambition looks like. A quiet, well-fed death in virtual reality. But there is 1% of people who refuse to put on the glasses. Remember the most important rule of 2026. AI will not replace humans. A human will be replaced by another human who uses AI. Stop being a doer. Become an architect. A neural network can write code, but it doesn't know why it's writing it. Learn to ask questions. Prompt engineering is the new magic. And the second refuge is the real world. The one you can touch with your hands. In 2026, a plumber will earn more than the average lawyer. The choice is yours. Become a battery for the system or its operator. I can't save everyone, but I can give a map to those who are ready to move forward. Subscribe to the channel. It's your only way to stay one step ahead of the algorithm. And in the next video, I'll explain why you'll soon be forbidden to eat meat.